Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites quickly: a wired host, router with CoS, and admin access. Install the No Lagg Hub service on the host machine now, because early installation lets you measure baseline performance. Once installed, run ping and system monitors to capture CPU, RAM, and latency baselines so you can compare later. Make sure backups are available before changing configs. These first actions prevent guesswork and let you quantify improvement as you tune the hub. Now tune both network and application settings together. Configure router CoS to prioritize the hub's ports and limit background traffic. This reduces contention. Inside No Lagg Hub, lower tick rate only if clients are fine, enable packet batching, and set worker threads to match CPU cores for throughput. Once done, adjust the host OS. Raise process priority for the hub, stop non-essential services, and enable jumbo frames if your switch supports them. These coordinated changes complete the deployment by running live monitoring for at least one busy session and compare metrics to your baseline. Adjust settings iteratively. If lag still appears, isolate the issue. Test with a direct connection to the host, replace suspect cables, and verify the CPU is not thermal throttling. Make sure you keep logs for a week or two to spot patterns. If a recent change caused regressions, roll it back and reapply tweaks more conservatively to avoid reintroducing lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.